Guys, I was with a group of people, but then so I am going this side here. This is a church. It's usually they pray on Sunday. I don't know on Sunday, so Saturday, I don't know. So we are going down. This is a church, like that one is a toilet. So guys, I'm going down there. I am going down there. I'm almost there. I don't know. I was with a group of people, but then when someone now has stepped out of the house and then you remain behind, you will run from behind like someone who is running for a marathon and you don't reach them, guys. Yeah. So the houses are down there. And there's someone who is in a barrier. Ahora. Bien. Let's go record. Hello, how are you? How are you outside there? On the road, and I just wanted to see someone who is sick. My granddad who is sick actually. For the whole week I didn't have time, and I was not feeling well, as I can say, but then today I've seen like I should go and visit him. So I'm on my way. So continue supporting me. I thank everyone from outside there, inside my country, outside there. God bless you as you continue supporting me. So we are going to that side, guys, and I am just walking because you can see everywhere here. They have already planted corn, like, guys. These are the streets of the village. That's how they look, guys. So this is the person I came to see here, guys. Wakire. Nyakokal. Mbirman. Okay, wait. Tindai kor nambano na tsiri. So I had come to see him, guys. He was not feeling well, like the whole week, and this is it. This is home now. Yeah. Look, wait the one. Look, wait. Look, wait the mobile. Mobile na wait.
Mobile. Na kanya kidogo. Kwenye tionsi pi. Lakini mbona kanya
So guys, he's saying that he's feeling a little bit better because he was like in the hospital the other day, yesterday, but one that was on Sunday, like. But then here he is. So trouble comment what you think. Let me go and see other people, guys. So this is the kitchen here, guys. They don't know what I'm on the way. And there's another kitchen there. This is a calf. Let's see what is there. I think you're on board. No, not that. So guys, let me show you where we get some wood. It's just in here. Can you imagine the house is here? The house is just here, and the water is just here, next to here, like a few steps. That's what I can say. Like a few steps, guys. Like a few steps. What's up guys? Here I got rescue mission. Actually I am at a village, and usually at a village expect to see what I'm showing you here. It's very green, and all over here guys, this is the love of the village, and this is where we get water from. You see, this very few steps guys, and this is fresh water. It is fresh water. And here at our village, they usually build it like this. See, it is a group that help group. April 2022 get the central self-help group. See guys, this is very fresh. You can also drink guys. You can drink. You don't buy water. So that's how it's fresh. But to other people, they usually boil it. And this is the love of the village, as I can say, because we don't buy water like guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. And the weather is not that good. You can see the weather is not that good. Actually, it's very dull today. That is the water there guys. Yeah, so drop a comment what you think about this video here, talking live from the village. And the village is lovely, but then it is too much rain nowadays, too much rain. And I don't know what I can say usually. You see, it is very near here, as I told you. The home is just near. So guys, here we are making some tea. Tea time is, all time is tea time. That's why you are seeing us doing this here. And then we shall go on with the other cookings. I wanted to get boiled because I found it that they have already started to cook it. Yeah, we want it to boil guys. African tea, milk, tea leaves, water, and if you can have sugar also you can add. So welcome to another episode. Here we are cooking ugari, and I have a new cooking stick guys, and this is unga flour, maize flour. So it is ready, so I have to put the bring the camera closer. So I am putting the unga. I'm putting the unga now. Oh. So after putting the flour, we have to just stir like this, and we wait it for some minutes guys, so that it can boil. So it has to boil, and then we shall continue with the other stuff guys. So here it is boiling, it's getting ready, and then we shall continue stirring. So guys, we have to stir the ugari, and this is how we do it. You have to be strong with the village. Wow. That's why I'm keeping outside. This is how we do it. Wow. Wow. If we can't stay out of it, it will be ready. Guys, I have some eggs here. These are some eggs, and here I have some tomatoes. So I am going to break the eggs. This is how we break the eggs, guys. Oh, look, look. I had like these shells like you. This is where we put salt, so I have to put some salt here. What is it? So guys, I have to add oil. And we have to fry the eggs. First of all, we have to mix like this. This is how we mix, guys. And then the oil is ready because the saucepan was on the fire. So we do like this, so that it will just be turning it in. So it is ready, as you can see, it is ready. So now we have to do the tomatoes, guys. We put it aside like. The same saucepan, we add oil, a little bit of oil, because we have already, because the saucepan is hot, guys. I don't have a frying pan here at the village. It is very, it's not easy to get people having saucepans, so we have to add it there. After adding the tomatoes, I mix it. I don't have the onions, so that's why I'm going to use only the tomatoes, guys. I like to add a pinch of salt, because the eggs has already some salt. So we have to turn it. Actually, we have to turn it. And when the tomatoes are ready, then we shall add this. This is how we mix it, guys. So after that, I have to add the eggs. We add the eggs. And then we stir like this. It is now ready. It is now ready. This is another way of doing it, because if you don't have the onions, it will be lovely, guys. Here it is ready. You can see it is ready. This is another way of doing it. If you are outside there, try my menu. It's just so simple. When you like other things like ingredients like onions, like nata, stuff like this, how it looks, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Continue supporting me. Talking live from the village. Hope this is the best way of cooking, guys. That's the traditionally, naturally, without any additives. Wow. Bye bye. See you in another video, guys. God bless you. Boom boom. I'm calling.